Fundamental methods of measurement. Two basic methods are commonly employed for measurement: direct comparison with primary or secondary standard, indirect comparison through the use of calibrated system. Two basic methods are commonly employed for measurement: direct comparison with primary or secondary standard, indirect comparison through the use of calibrated system. Direct comparison. In this method, measurement is made directly by comparing the unknown magnitude with a standard, and the result is expressed by a number. The simplest example for this would be length measurement using a meter scale. Here we compare the bar's length, unknown quantity, measure, and with a scale standard predefined one. We say that the bar measures so many millimeters, centimeters, or inches in length. Direct comparison methods are quite common for measurement of physical quantities like length, mass, etc. It is easy and quick. Drawbacks of direct comparison methods. The main drawback of this method is the method is not always accurate and reliable. Also, human sensors are not equipped to make direct comparison of all quantities with equal facility all the times. Also, measurement by direct methods are not always possible, feasible, and practicable. Example: measurement of temperature, measurement of weight. One can experience or feel the hotness or coldness of a body with respect to a particular environment, but may not be able to exactly predict or say the temperature. Further, these measurements in most cases involve human factors. Hence, this method in general is not preferred and employed for very accurate measurements. Indirect comparison. Most of the measurement systems use indirect method of measurement. In this method, a chain of devices which is together called as measuring system is employed. The chain of devices transform the sensed signal into a more convenient form and indicate this transformed signal either on an indicator or a recorder or fed to a controller. That is, makes use of a transducing device or element which convert the basic form of a input into an analogous form, which it then processes and presents as a known function of input. For example, to measure strain in a machine member, a component senses the strain, another component transforms the sensed signal into an electrical quantity, which is then processed suitably before being fed to a meter or recorder. Further, human sensors are not equipped to detect quantities like pressure, force, or strain, but can feel or sense and cannot predict the exact magnitude of such quantities. Hence, we require a system that detects or sense, converts, and finally presents the output in the form of a displacement of a pointer over a scale, a change in resistance or raise in liquid level with respect to a graduated stem. Direct comparison, indirect comparison. Unknown quantity is measured comparing directly with primary or secondary standards. Unknown magnitude is measured by comparing with a standard indirectly through the use of a calibrated system. Human sensors are very much necessary for measurement. Consists of a chain of devices which form a measuring system. Results obtained from direct comparison are not that dependable. This consists of a detector element to detect, a transducer to transducer, and a unit to indicate or record the processed signal. Not always accurate, fairly accurate.